Why y'all there? Lord have mercy, what a blessing. I'm Dan, and I'd like to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. Gracious, wherever you are at in the world, I hope you're having a great weekend, and I hope everything's good with you. Before we get started on today's video, I always like to say that if you are new to this channel, I want to welcome you. And if you return and just see what old Dan's got going on over here, sure enough, thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, Lord have mercy. Yeah, I went a little crazy with the hashtag short videos. So let's walk over yonder and we're going to bump some gums about it. Dan, what's the deal with the hashtag videos, hashtag short videos you've been putting out? Well, I'm going to tell you, it just took me about 2 or 3 years to figure out how to make them. I'm just going to say that up front. My dumb butt, that's on me. I didn't do the research as to how you make a shorts video. I don't like to assume, but I did. I was actually making really small videos using this camera, the GoPro, and editing those videos and just putting them up, uploading them to YouTube and just putting hashtag shorts behind the video. Wrong, not the way to do it. Had a few good folks. They didn't jank me too bad in the comments, but they was like, yeah, Dan, it's a short video, but it's really not a short video. And Miss Babette said, you know what, Dan, I think you're supposed to be doing that on your phone. So I got the old phone out, and sure enough, lo and behold, you got to use a cell phone to make shorts videos. So I noticed, I'm sure you and y'all have noticed that I've made probably 9 to 10 short videos in the last, 11 days. Mainly because, mainly because I get off of work so late and sometimes it's dark. With daylight savings time, it's a little bit better, but majority of the time it is dark or getting dark when I get home. So I just no way to get out here and do video and show you what I got going on over here. Which, by the way, over here in East Central Mississippi, it's about 81 degrees today. Got a little bit of wind going, and I'm liking it. Liking the fact that I'm able to get out here and do stuff. But anyways, back to the shorts videos. Yeah, I just ramble on and go back and forth. But anyways, so once I did the first shorts video, I was like, wow, okay, this is a powerful tool. And it's something that I can do on my phone and just throw out there for y'all to watch. And I had a few videos that, yeah, a lot of people like watching. So I think I'm just going to keep doing the shorts videos every now and then. I'm going to try to do some regular videos like I'm doing right now. Now that daylight is a little bit longer over here in Mississippi, yeah, I can get out here and, yeah, bump gums and show you what I'm doing over here. But since it's so nice today, I actually got out here in the raised bed area and ran the weed eater and just cleaned up some stuff. I got a lot of work to do in the raised beds. There's the garlic doing good, and horseradish is growing over there real good, and there's my onions. I don't know what's up with them. And I got some True Blue collards down yonder that the bees are all over. Gonna have some seeds on that one, hopefully. But yeah, I'm able to get out here and do this stuff. Another thing I've been looking at pretty hard is all of my 2 blueberry bushes. They're just looking real raggedy, especially with all the weather, the bad weather and the hard freezes we got this year. I'm gonna have to get the pruning on this guy. Had somebody at work tell me, Dan, just go on and let it green up, and then you can see what you have to cut. So I have a lot of trimming to do on these Tiff blueberries. This one looks a little bit better. So yeah, I got a lot of trimming I got to do on these, get them back into shape. I do have a Brightwell blueberry that I purchased from work. I need to get it in the ground. May do a show video on that. But yeah, I got to get that in the ground. I need to probably pick another location for it. But yeah, when I do, I'm gonna share that with y'all and show you how you transplant I think it's maybe a 2-year blueberry bush. Put it in the ground, see if we can't get it to grow. But yeah, that's what's been going on over here at the home in the sticks on the farm. A lot of work to do. I'm an army of one, so I'm trying to knock it out little by little. And the shorts videos are a real good way for me to reach out to y'all in less than a minute and show you, even though it may be real late when I get home, but show you what I'm doing. Because when I get off of work, I'm immediately back out here doing something. I go to work, leave work, come home and work. So the short videos are a really good way for me to throw that out to y'all, just to show you what I have going on over here. And maybe I'll do a larger video on some of the stuff that I did the short videos on, especially that asparagus bed. I'm really excited about that, to see how that grows. Never really grew one in a wash tub before, but yeah, did a little short video on that. And the strawberry planter is looking really good. I have a lot of pollinators this year. Thank the good Lord. I'm sitting here watching the bees do their thing. I gotta stay away from them because me and bees and I don't get along. But anyways, a lot of pollinators helping out over here. So maybe they'll move over to these blueberry bushes and do some pollinating on there. But yeah, we'll just have to see. Well, all right, that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today, just to give you a heads up as to why old Dan's just been doing a whole bunch of shorts videos. I like them, now that I know how to do them. And it's a way for me to get out and in a small time limit and real quickly throw that out there to y'all, just to show you what's going on over here on the farm. So yeah, it's a good thing. So again, I hope everybody is having a show enough good weekend, and I hope everybody's staying safe amid this crisis that evidently done come back. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home of Six channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come over here and go down and look, because I'm always doing stuff like shorts videos. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Redford, show enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, get your grow on. Yeah, do a short video too. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.